How to remove linked phone number from your X account, formerly known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to remove your phone number, you need to head over to your account settings. Here in this home screen, at the top left, you can see your profile icon. Tap on this. Now at the bottom, you can see the settings and support option. Tap on it. Again, you have to choose the settings and privacy option. In the settings page at the top, you can see your accounts option. Tap on this. Select account information from here. You can see this phone option over here in the top. Here you'll see different options. If you want to completely remove your linked phone number, you can delete your phone number. Or if you want to just change your phone number, you can tap on this update phone number option. So select accordingly and complete the process. So that's it. That's how you can easily remove your linked phone number from your X account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.